Welcome, Taurus, to your reading for the week in October from 21st till 27th. I'm very happy you are on the other end and listening to this reading for you. I hope it finds you well. If you like the reading, please give me the thumbs up, and if you would like to follow the weekly readings, so subscribe to my channel. I'm more than happy. First I will start the reading for you with a card from my like smaller pack, which is my personal pack. It's you can't buy it just somewhere. It's from my guru. I mentioned it in all of my first videos recorded, so also you know this, and there are some attributes which help me to like anchor the reading. So let's see what the attributes I will pick for the Tauruses, for the lovely Tauruses. I love you guys, you are really rocking. Let me see. Happiness. Oh, okay. Happiness. So, dear cards, tell us some messages for Taurus for this week. Please, cards, tell us some messages for Taurus for this week. What are the messages for Taurus? People, lovely, happy, obviously. Tauruses, are you happy this week? Oh, wow. It's interesting. Whoa, whoa. Let's see. So, there is happiness, definitely. There is closing some kind of, some kind of happiness. Happy end. But there is also some, I feel, for some of you, painful experiences behind your back. Behind your back in the past, something really changed. I feel some changes, yeah. Some changes in your life. I feel there is some kind of for some of you there was not good situation regarding your close relations. You know, there was probably some other people involved, and it was for a long time. It was hard to do with it for some of you. It was hard to do something with it, but you are now in the, and it took you quite some time. Some of you were in even longer isolation. I feel it was hard to do something, but even if you felt maybe that some kind of you were tired from it and you felt some sadness, so you got into a point where you are having some kind of empowerment, you know. There was from some of you it was quite dramatical, you know. There is this general energy, but there are some kind of, I feel, different levels of it, like manifestation. Okay, this empowerment brings more happiness into your life, and this is the energy you should follow now, because I feel there energy two important energies from some of you. It can be just just some kind of pleasure, you know, some nice situation, some enjoyable time with other person, which brings you the happiness into your life. For now, it doesn't need to be anything more stable, but it seems like you need this definitely. You shouldn't avoid the situation, even if I can see that for some of you it's not easy to go from this isolation mode. Maybe, you know, I can feel how hard this can be for some Tauruses. There is also other energy for some of you. It can be more stable connection, even like refining, deepening the emotions, helping more to develop happiness, you know. There is all is good. There is with this empowerment, like this people are coming into your life, bringing you more happiness, and not bringing. You should, of course, like develop the qualities. Of course, you are meeting these people to be able to develop these qualities for yourself. But I can tell you right now that the past is closed, and the past is. The tower is basically like down. Now you will build the new one, or rather no, much better. There is this Page of Pentacles, so there is also some kind of, with this empowerment also, there are some stabilizing happening for you. So from this Knight and Page of Cups, something more serious can develop, because for some of you even it can come into some kind of even really properly stable relationship, like marriage, or yeah, like the celebration, the happiness. It seems like it's sooner or later there is this energy around. It's strong. It's some kind of key topic of this reading. So yeah, I think this is it. This is the reading. Sorry for some of you. I feel that for some of you it could be really hard struggle, the past, yeah. But as I said, it was good. It's good. It was meant to be. Long term. It wouldn't bring you as much of abundance and happiness, actually, as now when it's done, and when it's finished, and now you can through the pain you gained to this empowerment, you know. Yeah. So Taurus, you are well, you are good. It's concentrate on this happiness, concentrate on opening yourself to this possible people in your life who are supporting your happiness, supporting you developing this happiness in your life. So have a nice week, and hope to see you in the next reading next week. Bye, Tauruses.